Lunch Bunch is a program designed by classroom teacher Miss Jody, where we work with Chartwells and we help facilitate making the lunch and prepping it and serving it to the students. It helps with restaurant skills, everyday skills in the kitchen, and following tasks. Yeah, over the course of like a rotation, you're very hands-on in the beginning, and by like a month into it, they'll come in and they'll do the job and very minimal like verbal redirection or prompts. They're making peanut butter and jellies, they're making grilled cheese, they're looking at the menu and seeing that we need fries, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, and prepping all the stuff that goes into making the lunch. I'm proud because I feel like it's an accomplishment. It's something that like people do every day, but to watch them be able to independently do it for themselves or do it for their friends at school, and watching them thrive and watching them grow each week within the program is just an accomplishment within itself.